say you think about me because...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a whole house clean with me, so it is packed with cleaning motivation so you can tackle your homes as well. Before we get started today, do go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and also go ahead and leave this one a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you.
So I'm starting off in the ensuite bathroom today because whenever I do a whole house clean, I always tend to put the bathrooms off, and by the time I've done the rest of the house, I'm just too tired, and the bathroom is always a room that I try and put off, and it just never gets done, and it's always one of the rooms that needs doing the most. So I'm going to try and stick with doing the bathrooms first just to make sure they get done. So I'm going to go ahead, empty it all out, and give everything a good wipe over and a good clean.
Your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright, but I knew it would not be easy spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still
So I'm now going to go ahead and clean down the shower and the shower doors with the white vinegar spray and washing up liquid. I absolutely love this combo. It gets rid of any soap scum and watermarks and just anything that you don't want in your shower. It gets rid of, and it also smells amazing. So I do this quite regularly just to give the shower a good deep clean. So I'm going to leave that mixture on for around 10 minutes just to let it work its magic, and I'm going to wipe down the outside of the shower doors just with some normal anti-bac wipes to get rid of any smudges and any fingerprints.
But now there's a window change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone.
Once I've gone back in and rinsed everything off, I then go back in with the Method shower spray and just give it a good spritz all over. I think it smells absolutely beautiful, and it just helps the shower stay fresher for longer. I absolutely love this product.
Till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end. And now there's a window change.
So now I just need to get everything back in and looking a little bit more organised before I can go in and mop the floor. I do use a steam mop, so I add some Zaflora into my steam mop, and it smells amazing. So if you do have a steam mop, I definitely recommend that you add a little bit of your favourite scent because it's so beautiful.
I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. Hey, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
You know how much I love having a clean kitchen, so I'm going to whiz round, putting everything back in its place and giving it a good clean, wiping down the sides and the cupboards and drawers and just making everything super fresh for the day.
I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'm a
So I picked up some new gloves the other day from B&M and I'm not really sure how I feel about them. They're twice as thick as normal gloves and they have like a woolly lining in them, so it's sort of like wearing winter gloves, just normal gloves, but it does make it a lot harder to actually grip things, and I'm so clumsy anyway and I'm constantly breaking stuff, so I don't think it's a good idea that I wear gloves that I can't really grip things with, but I'm going to try and persevere as long as possible. But the other downside of them is because they're super thick, they are really cozy, but because my hands are always in hot water, my hands just get really hot, so I don't think I'm going to be having these ones for long, but I just love the colour of them, obviously because they're bright pink, so I think I'm going to switch them out for some normal ones, but just try and find some pink ones. But yeah, the double thick woolly lined super winter gloves I don't think is for me, but I love the colour. But if you're not as clumsy as I am, I definitely recommend them because they are really soft and really cozy to wear. They're just a little bit too thick for me.
The way my hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. Every move that I'm making. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing.
I also picked up this Winter Spice Flora scent the other day from B&M and I absolutely love this one, and it seems to be the only wintry Christmassy scent that's out at the moment, or at least in the B&M near me. I can't seem to find anything wintry or Christmassy at all, so I was over the moon to see that they had loads of these in stock, so I'm definitely going to be stocking up on this one because I think it smells beautiful. So I'm just going to add it to some hot water and go over and clean all of my sides and cupboards and just get everything smelling super fresh.
Move that I'm making.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if
So once everything's been cleaned and it's nice and fresh, it's time to go in and give it a good hoover and also a mop because it has been a little while since it's had a good clean. And again, just like upstairs, definitely add some of your favourite scent to the steam mop because it just makes the whole room smell amazing. And of course, I'm going to be adding the Winter Spice to my steam mop this time, just so the same scent is in the kitchen. And I absolutely love how the whole downstairs just smells wintry and Christmassy, and it's just so cozy. I absolutely love it.
and I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky's falling.
So once the kitchen's all done, I'm just going to head through into the living room and give it a good tidy up and get it looking a little bit more put together because it is a bit of a state today. So I need to just get it all nice and fresh, ready for the day and just looking nice and cozy.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
So I'm going to go ahead and finish off by hoovering the stairs today. I absolutely love hoovering. It's definitely one of my favourite chores to do. I really hope today's speed clean has given you the motivation to do your homes as well. Do let me know down in the comments if you have been cleaning along with me today. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already for lots more cleaning motivation every single week. And also don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.